Hi guys, welcome back to Scratch. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple jumping game. So first let's start by picking a sprite. I'm going to choose the check sprite and I'm going to choose a backdrop. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna keep the check here. And I'm going to choose another sprite on which it's gonna jump over. I'm gonna choose the egg and I'm gonna put it here. Let's make it a little small. Okay. Now, to make the chick jump over the egg, we're going to use these blocks. So first, I'm going to go to the motions category and use this. Change Y by 10 and the control. Use the repeat loop 10 times. And I'm gonna make a duplicate and put -10. Okay. Now, I'm going to make it jump when we click the space, when we click on the space key. Oops, sorry. I guess I used this on a different sprite. Okay. We are going to use this code to make the chick jump. So it's jumping. Okay, let's make it jump a little higher. So it's gonna be 20, I guess. And this one too. I'm gonna change this. Okay, let's see. That's high enough. Okay, now let's make the egg, let's make the egg to move. So now I'm going to use the go to X to 210 and Y -140. And now this, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to make it a minus and join it to this. I'm going to put it in a forever loop. Add a 1 green flag clicked block and whoa, it's going too fast. Let's put it 4. Now this is a little better. Okay, so I'm gonna make the egg when it touches the check to stop the game. So for that, I'm gonna use this. Block, wait until block, and a stop all. And I'm gonna use this. Wait until touching check and then stop all. I'm gonna keep it here and add another 1 green flag clicked block. Okay, now we're gonna, so sometimes in the middle of the game the chick may get stuck over here, and so to fix that problem we're gonna use this. Okay, I'm gonna use this so that whenever we click on the green flag, it will come to the, to its place where it should be standing. Now, let's see. Now the important thing is to add score. Okay, now let's add a variable named scores. Okay, now whenever we click on the green flag, it's gonna set the score to 0 and change the score by 1 when it jumps. Okay, now let's try it. Oops. Okay. Oops. Okay, so this means that the game works fine. Don't forget to save and share your project. You can use many different sprites and you can make your own ideas and you can make many levels, okay? So I'm gonna keep the title. Okay, and I'm gonna share it, and that's all. You can write the instructions, how you're gonna tell them to play it, and okay, that's it for today. Goodbye!